In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Uber Eats promo code not working error 2005. If a promo won't apply at checkout, the most common cause is a mismatch with the offer's rules. Start by reviewing the terms and expiration. Open the app, go to Wallet or Promotions, and tap the specific offer to see the fine print. Look for the end date and time. And remember that some codes expire at midnight in a specific time zone. Check eligibility details like minimum subtotal, first order only restrictions, and participating stores. Many promos exclude alcohol, certain fees, or delivery from non-partnered restaurants. Make sure your delivery address is in a supported city and that your app region matches where the code was issued. At checkout, remove any other automatic deals, since most codes can't be combined. Finally, retype the code carefully, no extra spaces, and update the app if you haven't in a while. Outdated versions can cause promo errors. If the code truly won't work, you can still lower your total by using credits or your Uber Cash balance. In Wallet, review your available balance. At checkout, toggle Uber Cash on so it applies automatically to your order after any promotions. Credits from gift cards, adjustments, or previous issues can offset the cost even if the promo isn't eligible. Just note that in some regions, credits may not cover certain fees or tips, and country restrictions can apply to balances issued elsewhere. Another option is to try a different account that meets the offer's requirements. Many codes are single use per user or limited to new users. If you manage multiple legitimate profiles, sign out and sign in to an account that hasn't used the offer and qualifies for the terms. Make sure the delivery address and payment method align with the region of the promo. Always follow the platform's terms of use and avoid creating accounts solely to bypass restrictions. If nothing works, reach out to support directly through the app. Go to Help, find the section for promotions or account and payment, and describe what happens when you apply the code. Include the exact code, the item subtotal, the restaurant name, and the text of the promo terms you saw in the app. A clear screenshot of the error message can help, but avoid sharing any sensitive information. Support can confirm eligibility, explain restrictions you may have missed, or add a courtesy credit when appropriate. Recap: verify terms and expiration, use available credits, try an eligible account, and contact